नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे ITC फॉल 2% एक्सटेंड 2026 losses to 15% has the dividend stock bottoms out. Here's what analysts say. ITC share price, the share of the hotel to cigarettes conglomerates dropped to a freeze 52-week low of rest 337.75 apiece. Then this takes the total market cap erosion to 82,000 crore in just 4 days. The shares of ITC dropped more than 2% on January 6, extending losses to 15% in 4 sessions after government imposes new excise duty on cigarette. Analysis notes that the bearish momentums will continue to prevail. While listing out key levels to watch out to possible recovery. The shares of the hotel to cigarettes conglomerate dropped to a freezed 52-week low of rest 337.75 EPS. This takes the total market cap additions to raise 82,000 crore in just 4 days. The stock later recovered some looser to close at raised 343.25 apiece. ITC is widely regarded as safe stock to hold considering it is the dividend paying history in financial year 2025. ITC declared and paid a total dividend of Rs 14.35% share as of January 6, 2026. The company's dividend yield is approximately 4.10%. Why are ITC shares falling? The Parliament in December approved the Central Excise Amendment Bill 2025, clearing the way for the sharp increase in duties on cigarettes and other tobacco products. Let and replace temporary levy on cigarette and the tobacco products. The excise duty would be imposed on the cigarettes in addition to a 40% GST according to order issued late on Wednesday. The Finance Minister notified that an excise duty of Rs 2,050 to 8,500 per 100 sticks, depending on cigarette length, will take effect from February 1. The duty translates into a 22-28% increase in overall cost for 70 to 85 mm cigarette. Analysts at the ICICI Securities said cigarettes longer than 75 mm account for roughly 16% of ITC volumes and are likely to see price increase of 2 to 3 rupees per stick as a result of the heavy of they said. Thank you.